Hi, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group, and today we're doing a final walkthrough for Rakita on her beautiful home here in Lansing. Well, let's take a look. That's our block. This is the beautiful home. And our buyer, first met with her about a year ago. As we go inside. And she had another realtor that she was working with a little bit. Beautiful lights. Our kitchen. And anyway, she had a different realtor, she had a different lender, and we just weren't able to make the connection last fall. So what we did, kind of put things on hold, and then this year, we touched base again, walking down the hallway. This is a ranch home. Hardwood floors and painting. I like the door here. And anyway, we did a couple Zooms. One was to see if we'd be a good match this year, and of course we were. And another one, we were totally transparent in setting up our home search for her. I find that's a good way to do business. We always want to be totally transparent. So anyway, Rakita and I got back to working together. And sure enough, she became a homeowner. So here's somebody that, timing just wasn't right. So we take a step back, make sure the timing's right. I love this tile in the kitchen. We're gonna head down to the basement here. So timing wasn't right. Go ahead and readjust, regroup, come back together, start again. Beautiful doors, nice little office space back there. And we're here in the basement, by the way. Start again and move forward. And sometimes that's what it takes. You just got to regroup. Beautiful shower, nice tile. All right. So remember, if it doesn't work the first time, take a little break, regroup, move forward. Next thing you know, you'll be a homeowner. All right, so let's head back upstairs. With Graham Real Estate Group, and we look forward to helping you become a homeowner as well. Bye-bye.